How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I just want to say be careful. Right now, we are seeing such a big rally in the market. I explained that earlier today. Seems like a lot of people are just excited over really strong jobs numbers. And we seem like we're at the top of the Fed rate hike cycle. But I want to say be careful. If you don't mind, hit subscribe. Turn on that bell notification underneath the video as well. I have some exciting news, a couple different pieces that I'll say towards the end. One that's just a life thing for me, but also something that I'm pretty excited about for you guys too. So with everything that's happening in the market right now, right, we've seen so many months of red, and then the beginning of the year has been really bullish. You know, Bitcoin's up 100% almost. A lot of meme coins are running now. A bunch of tech stocks have been running. Microsoft's over 300. Apple is approaching all-time highs. Tesla is up 6% at the time of this recording. I think we have to be careful just because we still have some dark clouds on the horizon. There are still some bad things that could happen here. And whenever, you get too bullish, you can definitely see a pullback, and then you don't want to be sitting there sitting on your hands because you have no money left over because you aped it all into some crap coin or something that went down 50%. Now, with that being said, a lot of people are making a lot of money right now, which is good. I think that's good overall. Gets people excited in the stock market, gets people excited in crypto, brings new people in, which is exciting because we haven't seen that in a while. But we can't get ahead of ourselves, right? You have to realize what you're doing if you're buying a risky asset. Right now, I just wanted to film this because we're seeing so many assets. It's not just meme coins, but we're seeing a lot of high-flying tech stocks, a lot of tech stocks that have been beaten down over the last year, going up 20, 30%. We're seeing bank stocks rebound 15 to 20%, which I don't really know exactly what's happening there, but I did think about jumping in to bank stock. I didn't, but now it's up 17%. So there's that. We also are seeing a bunch of the big tech players like Apple actually have a down quarter, like year over year. They double beat, which is what everyone looked at, but they're having a down quarter since last year. They're actually not, their revenue's going down, and they're up 5% here today. So it's kind of a crazy time. We have bioengineering stocks, biotech stocks up 20% as well. It reminds me of early 2021. So I want to be careful, whenever there's this much excitement, there are a lot of people aping in. We have to be careful. I just had a small meme coin that I talked about like a week ago that I talked about having a position in. It's up 80% here today. And it's not Pepe, but it's a play on Pepe. And Pepe's up 80%. We're seeing it blow off. This is very exciting. It's almost the weekend, so, celebrate it, have fun, take profits. Take profits. If it's anything that you're not long-term bullish in, but it's something that you're just doing a little bit of swing trade in, just my non-professional opinion. Now, with that being said, I'm still excited. I'm still bullish over the long term, and I still think we're undervalued on a lot of good quality companies and good quality cryptos. And even if we're not undervalued, there's still some companies that are just growing so consistently and are returning so much value to the shareholders that they're at pretty decent valuations. One that I bought here today, I actually had to sell some. I buy on certain days, and this is not a day that I typically buy, so I had to sell something to get into this position or to buy more of it. I had to sell some VOO, an index fund, right? I actually want to buy more VOO too, so it was hard to do that. But I sold some of this index fund. I also sold some Meta stock as well, just because it's up, I think it's about 45% above the 200-week simple moving average. So it's been moving up a lot. I bought some Texas Roadhouse. They had their earnings yesterday. I've had a position in Texas Roadhouse. I bought on dips. Bought a couple months ago when they had their last earnings report, and they fell down like 4 or 5% after hours on good earnings. So I bought then. I also bought some more just today because they missed on EPS. However, they're still growing EPS 18% year over year, revenue up 18%. They're buying back shares. They're increasing dividends consistently, and they are just really excelling right now. They're doing a great job of returning capital to shareholders. The the management is not overpaying themselves either. They get $10 million a quarter, and actually it came down this quarter to about 8 million from 9 million in the quarter last year. So they are paying themselves, but very small compared to the market cap. I mean, they're paying themselves 32 million when it's an $8 billion company. So I like that. I like that a lot. And that's how many shares they're issuing. So I like that. I want to buy it. It's at a 22 PE. So I increased my position by about 40% or so, and I'm going to keep on buying it. If it goes up, I'm going to buy a lot more. Now, I also would love to buy some more crypto as well, and I'm waiting a little bit. Ethereum has been running here today. It's up 6%. Bitcoin's up 3% or something like that. I've been largely holding off, and someone asked me recently why I haven't been buying crypto recently. Am I not bullish? That's not it. I am very bullish on crypto, but I bought a lot of Bitcoin under 20,000, and since it's moved up, it's just a large position in my portfolio now, which is great. I'm very bullish on it, but I like to try to stay diversified. So if we go where I think we're going to go, right, Bitcoin at 100,000, 150,000, not this year necessarily, but next bull run, I'm going to have a large portion of my portfolio in it. And I want to make sure that I still am diversified in stocks and real estate, and I still have a large portion of cash, which brings me to my next exciting thing. We're actually buying a new house. So I'm going to have a new setup there. It's going to be kind of crazy over the next week, moving in there. My videos are going to be a little bit weird over the next 2 weeks. But then I'm going to Bitcoin Miami. So if you're going there, let me know in the comment section. And I actually have a code. I think I can put it on this video. I have a code if you want 10% off your tickets there, or if you're in the area and you want to just say hello. I'll be at some different events there, going out. If you want to get drinks or something, let me know in the comment section. Maybe I can make that work. Going there with my wife though. But yeah, that's part of the reason I have some extra cash too, is just because we are moving here soon, so I need some extra cash for furniture, finishing the yard, moving before we sell our house. And then I'm going to have still, once we sell our current house, I'm going to have some cash on the sidelines again in case this recession really comes as bad as some people think. Now, if the recession isn't here, we don't get a recession and the market never dips, well, I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into high quality stocks. I'm just going to continue to do that year in and year out. And I'd love to be able to get into some real estate too. But I still think there's some deals in the stock market. There's still some deals in crypto too. I'm still buying Tesla, Amazon, Google, those types of companies too. So if you want to know what I'm buying on a daily basis, you can check out the link underneath the video to the Patreon. There's also a link down there to NordVPN. In case you don't have a VPN service, I would highly suggest it to protect yourself. It's really important. Let me know your thoughts about all this underneath the video. Are you getting in on any meme coins right now? If you want to know how much Pepe you need to become a Pepe millionaire, I just posted that video too. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.